Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your device. Update the YouTube app and confirm you have an active account. If you choose Premium, sign in and enable background playback in settings. Otherwise, pick a browser that supports background audio. Make sure your phone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data so playback won't pause. Once done, open YouTube, find the song or playlist you want, and get ready for the next step where we configure playback and permissions. Now enable background playback. If you have Premium, go to Settings, right arrow background playback and pick Always or Headphones. This ensures audio continues when the screen locks. If you're using a browser, switch to desktop site mode and start the video, then switch apps or lock the screen. Some browsers keep audio running. Also make sure autoplay and notification permissions are allowed so controls appear on lock screen. Once set, start your playlist and test locking the screen to confirm uninterrupted audio. Finish by locking your screen and confirming the audio keeps playing. Use playback controls on the lock screen or notification shade to pause or skip. If audio stops, make sure battery saver or app background restrictions are off, and that YouTube has permission to run in background. Once done, try restarting the app or device. If issues persist, clear app cache or reinstall YouTube. Testing with another browser or a third-party app helps isolate whether it's app, OS, or account related before you contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.